Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to disable quiet mode for videos on Facebook using your PC. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to Facebook's website by typing facebook.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. This will take you to Facebook's main settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now, on the left-hand side of the screen, locate and click on the Media option. This section controls how videos and other media behave on Facebook. Once inside the media settings, look for the option labeled Quiet Mode. If it's currently enabled, you'll see a toggle switch turned on. Simply click the toggle to disable Quiet Mode. And that's it. Quiet Mode is now turned off, allowing videos to play without restrictions or muted notifications. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might need assistance. Thanks for watching.